Today for lunch, we're actually in Island Plaza in Penang Island. It's a little shopping centre just down the road from us, and we've just ordered some food from Aunty Q. So what we have for a mixture, we've got the pork, minced meat, kway jiao, cow tao soup. So that's like a minced meat, pork minced meat with some fishball and prawns in some noodles and soup. And then we also have a pork lard rice with some pork belly and fried rice on that. And then there's also a simple, their signature siuyuk rice, which is their pork rice, pork belly. So hopefully that's nice and crispy. And that comes with a clear soup as well. And we've got one more coming, so we'll see how that goes. And we've ordered some just lemon honey iced drinks and a tea, an iced tea as well. It's a good. We've got the mantau, the fried mantau, and we've ordered their curry chicken to go with it. So they look nice and well fried, which is always yummy. So the last dish that we ordered today was actually the siuyuk wonton mee, which is a dried rice noodle, egg noodle, and then they've got the crispy pork and the fried wontons as well. So it looks like a soy egg noodles that they have, and they've both got some extra lard on top. So something you don't always see in Australia, but they do like to crisp up those lard. It just melts in your mouth, nice and fatty, nice and yummy though. So they cut these pork in so little slices. Nice and crunchy, very thin actually, very good. I think that's one of their signature dishes. Egg noodles are actually very thin and crisp, like crunchy. Got a good little bounce to it. And it's been a while since I've had fried wontons, so. They're tasty too, so it's good. A good combination. We tried the mantau before. The mantau is nice and soft, crispy and very soft in the middle. And we just dip that in the chicken curry. It's not bad. Portion wise it's okay. And the flavours are pretty good too. So if you're looking for a local to eat but in air conditioning, pretty clean, you might come and try this place out next time you're here. So this is at Aunty Q in the Island Mall 88.